Let's start today's experiment. Today we'll do bath bomb experiment. We need equipment, one cup scoop, measuring cylinder, stirring stick, one mold. We need material: citric acid, baking soda, cornstarch, food colors, scent, vegetable oil also. Let's start the experiment. Take the scoop and put 2 scoops in the baking soda, 1 scoop of citric acid and 1 scoop of cornstarch in it. We need to put 2 scoops of baking powder. We need to put 1 scoop of citric acid in the cup. We need to put 1 scoop of cornstarch. In the cup. Measure 5 ml and put in the cup. 5 ml of vegetable oil, put it in the cup. Add 6-7 drops of color in it. Add few drops of scent in it. We have to mix it well. Stir. Now we have the soap bomb is ready. Now we have to freeze it for 24 hours. We will take it out at tomorrow and enjoy the bath.